Hello there, guys. Welcome back to another short online tutorial. It's Jack here from Blue Sky Graphics, and today we are based in Adobe XD. What I'd like to do today, guys, is discuss with you the benefit of using Adobe XD. A question I get asked a lot by my students is, what's the reason for the software? Why do we use it? What's the purpose of it? And what I would like to do is make it a little bit clearer for you and show you the benefits of using this particular software. And then what I'd also like to do is show you how to set up your first document within Adobe XD. Okay, so Adobe XD is a fantastic software within the Adobe world. It's a place where you and I as designers can go to design prototypes, wireframes for apps, for websites, web pages, particular social media posts, custom sizes that you may want to do and change and design yourself. And then what we can do is, like I say, build these prototypes, build these wireframes, and we can then share these with collaborators, other developers, potential clients, other web developers, other graphic designers. And then you can discuss and you can brainstorm about the design. You can critique about the font family you decided to use, the color palette you decided to use, imagery, certain links, okay? And really get into the crux of the design, okay? It's a really fantastic software, guys. And it's very, very user-friendly. We have future tutorials that are coming out in the future that will clearly demonstrate that as a designer, it's very user-friendly and it's fantastic for you to share and collaborate with other people that are very important within the creative process. Okay. And I'm a big fan of this software and I highly promote it. Okay, so what I'd like to do now is show you how to set up your first document within, Adobe XD. Now, as you can see, we're currently in the home section within the Adobe XD software. Now we have these four categories in the middle here, right? So the first one is for sort of mobile and devices, okay? The second one here is for any sort of websites that you may want to be building. The third one is for any sort of social media posts. And the fourth category there is to set up your own custom sized page. Now, if we come to the mobile and device section, we have this little arrow here. And what I'm going to do is click that little arrow and it'll show you that we have other presets to use, ranging from iPhone 13 Pro to the Google 16 Pro, the iPad. Okay, and these are the perfect sizes that you need for these particular devices. We have our web section here. Okay, so if you're building any websites, as you can see, you have three different options for you to go for, the standard sizes that you would need to use. We have the social media section here, and as you can see, we have Instagram story, Instagram post, Facebook post, YouTube video. Perfect sizing for you. And then we have the custom section here, right? So the client might say to you, I want a particular size of 100 width by 100 height, please. Okay, and what you can do here is come through and input the measurements the client has required. And what I'm going to do now is come through. Let's sort of pick a preset that we can use. If we click this little arrow here, probably going to go for the iPhone 13 Pro. So if I now select that particular preset, as you can see, we have the first document set up within Adobe XD. Now, if I was to press Command 0 on the Mac or Control 0 on Windows, just to get to normal view, so I can really look at the document. Now, what we have on the left-hand side here, right, is a very basic toolkit. Okay, we have the selection tool at the top, a very, very basic shape tools that we can use, design lines. We can use our pen tool here and our typography tool here. Like I say, guys, future tutorials will be coming out where I'll be discussing more about these tools. And we have the artboard tool here. Okay, so if you want to come through and apply a very simple shape, like so, come through, like so, and you can apply a nice shape. If you'd like to change the color of this particular shape, you've got the fill option here that you can come through, the border option. Let's change the size of that just so that we can have a look at what we're doing. Fantastic. We have these circle options in the corner, which allows us to round off the corners. There's a nice feel to the shape sometimes, I feel. And as you can see, you're manipulating all four at the same time. If you'd like to manipulate one singular corner, if you was to press Option on Mac or Alt on Windows, it allows you to do that. If you'd like to change the background color of your page and your document, have it selected. As you can see, you have the fill option here on the right hand side. So this is where your properties are. Okay, so I can come through. I'm going for more of a sort of pale pink background color. Let's say we have all the options. There's the options to do transforming and all other stuff with the grid. Okay, scrolling. As we come down here to the left hand side, we have these three little icons here. Okay, we have our plugins, our layers, and our libraries. Okay, so if we come to the plugin section here, right, this is where we can come through and install certain plugins that can dramatically improve our workflow. Okay, and we're going to discuss about future plugins and how to install plugins in the future. We have our layer section here that we can use, like so, and we have our libraries also as well, where we can come through and save particular colors, fonts, videos. Okay, so this is where the document assets are really important, just so that you can save everything that for yourself, just so it's easier to find things and it's all placed under one roof. Okay, guys, if you're interested in finding out more about Blue Sky Graphics, the courses that we offer, us as tutors, the school, please don't hesitate in visiting our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, check out our Instagram. There's some amazing work on there by our very talented students at Blue Sky Graphics UK. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.